Los Alamos County Dispatch. How may I assist you?
I think I have a gas leak in my house. I can smell gas and it's pretty strong.
Thank you for calling. Do not use any electrical switches or phones inside your home. Are you and everyone in the household safe and outside?
Yes, we're all outside now. I just wanted to report it right away.
I'm dispatching a crew from the Los Alamos Department of Public Utilities right now. They're on their way and will be there shortly to investigate and make sure everything is safe.
Okay, thank you. Got it. Thanks again.